This massive congregation of spider monkeys is a testament to the jungle's bounty. They feast peacefully on the ripe yellow bananas.
Quickly now, everyone. Form organized lines by the front truck. We are waiting for instructions.
Get the cage ready.
Opening it now.
Careful with this one, lift it slowly.
Осторожнее, давай.
Держи крепче. Загружаем.
Прямо, продолжайте движение.
Сюда, на разгрузку. Остановитесь.
Сюда, пожалуйста. Садитесь ровно. Отличная работа. Следующий. Держите их ровно. Еще клетки разгружаем. Я закончу этот ряд, ты бери следующий. Пожалуйста, сюда. Ложитесь, отдыхайте.
Группа Б, все спокойно?
Да, отклонений нет.
We need to increase the flow on line 3.
Confirmed. Adjusting the parameters now.
Watch the alignment on this batch. I see it. The conveyor needs slight adjustment. We need to increase the flow rate on unit 2. Adjusting the parameters now. Everything is running according to the Primogen protocol. The water pressure seems a bit low on this cycle. I agree. Let me adjust the spray nozzles. Ensure the temperature remains stable in zone 3.
Confirmed. The humidity levels are optimal for the current batch.
Check the temperature on line 3, please. It's stable at 65 degrees. Moisture levels are optimal. Ensure the calibration is set for the dried beef.
The X-ray reading on sector 4 is fluctuating.
The collagen detection is within the optimal range for this batch.
Confirmed. The marbling score is excellent.
Ensure the vacuum seal pressure is set to 22 psi on this batch. Confirmed. I am logging the data now. The throughput is stable.
The vacuum seal on line 3 is consistently failing the pressure test.
I see that. Let's adjust the timing sequence by 10 milliseconds and monitor them. The sensor reading on the roller tension is fluctuating slightly.
It is within the acceptable parameters.
The sensor array shows optimal separation on the outer layer. The rollers are working perfectly. Check the rotation speed on the main drum. We need to maintain consistency.
Confirmed. The settings are locked.
Look at the texture on these hides. They are cleaning perfectly.
Yes, the pH balance is exactly where we need it for the next stage.
Adjust the temperature settings up by 2 degrees Celsius. The input moisture is higher than expected.
Confirmed. Adjusting now. The output looks good so far.
The humidity levels are stable at 15%.
Good. The Primogen process requires precise control.
Look at the spectral analysis here. The blue laser shows a spike.
Yes, but the overall integrity is within tolerance. The green indicator confirms it.
The laser alignment is stable on sector 3. Confirmed. The material analysis is proceeding smoothly. Ensure the cutting measurements are precise for this batch, Svetlana.
They are within tolerance, Elena.
Proceeding to the next stage. We are maintaining optimal speed and precision on this run.
Yes, the Primogen system is performing perfectly today.
Check the sealing on that batch, please.
Looks perfect, zero defects.
We need to maintain the flow rate.
Confirmed. The weight is consistent, moving to shipment.
Check the throughput on line 3. The sorting mechanism seems slow.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the roller speed now.
The input flow is stable at 98%.
Good.
Ensure the rollers maintain optimal speed for the Primogen process.
The flow rate on chamber 3 is slightly low. Adjusting the pressure now. We must maintain throughput for the Primogen contract. The data stream shows uneven cleaning in section 2.
Adjusting the jets. We must maintain the Primogen standard.
Check the temperature readout on screen 3.
It's holding steady at 180. Cycle is almost complete. The airflow seems stable now. Check the humidity levels in zone 3.
Adjusting the temperature now. Everything is optimal for the current batch.
We are seeing excellent consistency on the latest batch.
Yes, the sorting algorithm is performing optimally.
Ready for transfer to the next stage.
The structural integrity scan on batch 47 shows no anomalies.
Confirmed. The density rating is optimal for the next phase.
Ensure the blades are calibrated for the next batch. Alignment looks slightly off on screen 3.
Confirmed. Adjusting the parameters now. The flow rate.
The blade speed seems slightly low on sector 4.
Yes, I will increase it by 5% now.
Monitor the temperature gauge on screen 3. Ensure the flow rate remains steady.
For the new batch.
Speed is optimal. The temperature is holding steady as required.
The viscosity level is stabilizing at the desired consistency.
Good. Let's maintain the rotation speed for the flow rate of the mixture is slowing down.
Okay, adjusting the pumps now. Temperature remains optimal for liquefaction.
The temperature in tank 4 is stable, but the viscosity is lower than expected. We need to increase the heat slightly on the next cycle. Check the color intensity on screen 3. We are adding the brown solution now.
Temperature stabilizing at 22 degrees Celsius.
Good. The molds are running at optimal speed now. We should increase the flow rate slightly. The temperature in the cooling tunnel is stable at 15 degrees Celsius.
Good. The gloss finish on the bars looks perfect.
The sealing jaws are perfectly aligned on this batch.
Yes, the quality control check passed. We need to ensure the Cadbury labels are centered precisely.
They are aligned perfectly now. We can increase the...
Check the alignment on the Cadbury labels, please.
Looks good.
We are maintaining optimal speed now.
Is the Primogen shipment ready for loading?
Yes, unit 7 is clear. Move the pallets in.
Shipment confirmed. 20 pallets of Cadbury's Dairy Milk loaded and sealed.
GPS active. You are cleared for departure. Drive safely.
Dispatching the convoy now. Tablets are updated.
Noted. The